vanilla. I put vanilla in here because I washed it out with alcohol. I got vanilla in here. I use this for a cover scent. Raccoon, pigs, whatever. Every time I go and visit the site, I give it a little vanilla. And it's a good cover scent. Excellent cover scent. But some people say use the artificial because it don't have alcohol in it. I don't know. I use them both. Both of them work. Anyway, that's where I'm at. Yes, a little rappel here. It just tucks right in, you know. And I can go. I can go sit, but you know, I gotta go. I'm fixing to have to go do some more. Look here. See what's sitting right there, nesting in right there. I bet to go and get some frozen, good baby frozen marshmallows. Go back over there and hit them coon traps again here this evening. Boy, I'll close it off. Hey, from the Hooch out here in the woods. Appreciate y'all looking. Otaka. Thank you so much for stopping by. Look at that. My Lord have mercy, look at that. Oh, wood. See him come, see him go. One day it'll be oak tree, big old oaks like that growing up the middle of the interstate highway. Yeah. Otaka from the woods.